Okay, so this video is to support you in using Dragon Naturally Speaking. This will just support you in getting set up, but there are many extra bits you can do to learn about it once you get confident. Okay, there's two different versions of Dragon in use in Aberdeenshire. One is Dragon Pro and the other is Dragon Premium. All intents and purposes, they are the same. So when you fire it up for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a profile. So I'm going to create a new profile and I'm going to call it test. You may want to create a profile with your own name. Make sure it's select at United Kingdom, and I would leave the accent section alone. Okay. Your laptop will probably have microphone and so forth in it. So in order to make sure you're using and selecting the right microphone, put your headset on and just blow into the microphone, and it's fairly obvious which one you need to choose. So I've selected the top one. Okay, a word about microphones and headsets. You will have been provided with a headset to use with the program. This is a headset that is recommended by Dragon, and if you damage it or try to use a different headset, the results of the program may not be as effective or as good as they should be. If you do break them, contact Aspects and we will advise you of the correct headset to purchase. The next important bit is the placing of the microphone. To place my microphone, I take my first finger and I place it over my lips, and then my finger should then touch the microphone. The microphone needs to be in front, just to the side of your mouth, and that gives the microphone a decent range to pick up from. Interestingly, if you then take your headset off and then don't put it back on in a similar fashion, again, Dragon's Dictation will not be anywhere near as effective as it should be. Okay, it asks you to read the text to configure the microphone. It is better if you can read this text, but if the child or you would struggle to read the text, please just read or speak consistently, clearly, slowly for 3 to 4 minutes. The computer will tell you when it's happy. What it's actually doing is setting the levels of the microphone rather than analyzing what it is you're saying. So I'm going to read this text out. This text can also be found on our Glow site in the Dragon Dictation section. I am reading this text out loud, clearly and naturally. I will continue to use this tone when I dictate with the product. Right now, I am giving Dragon a chance to adapt to my voice and audio environment. As I talk, Dragon is checking the quality of the audio input and adjusting some settings. Good audio input is essential for accurate speech recognition. To achieve high accuracy, I should maintain a consistent distance between my mouth and the microphone. Okay, it's happy. Now it's just going to customize itself for me. Okay, you'll see the Dragon toolbar appear, and if I hover my mouse, it gets bigger. In this training session, we are purely just going to get you set up and going. But there are help sections and training sessions for you to do once you are confident in using and just dictating. So while I'm waiting, I'm just going to open up a copy of Microsoft Word. We recommend you explore Dragon's interactive tutorial, which will appear when you click Finish. Please take the time to do the interactive tutorial, but get used to using the software first. Interestingly, this has popped open. There's some very quick suggestions on what you can say. Okay, did I open a Microsoft Word document? Here it is. Okay, so my Dragon microphone is red, which means it's off. The first time I need to click it to turn it on, but after that I can tell it to go to sleep or wake up. So we're just going to input some text. Good morning. My name is Mr. Cooper, and I work with the Aspects service. Full stop. New line. This video is to help you get going with Dragon Dictation. Full stop. There are various help sections within Dragon on your computer that will allow you to do many great things with the software. This video is just to get you started. Full stop. New line. Once upon a time. Go to sleep. Okay, so I've told the microphone to go to sleep. Once upon a time, I've put in there, I'm now going to delete one word, then I'll replace it, and then I'll delete the sentence. Wake up. Delete last word. Mountain. Full stop. Delete last sentence. Go to sleep. Other things you may be interested in. Dragon can be used for full computer control. Full stop. Go to sleep. Delete that. Full stop. Go to sleep. Okay, you'll have noticed that there's a mistake there. Other things you may be interested in. Am. Wake up. Select am. Delete. Scratch that. Wake up. An example of things you can do with computer control. Full stop. New line. Show desktop. Open Google Chrome. Dragon can be used to dictate into most programs like Microsoft Word, comma, Microsoft Publisher, comma, Microsoft PowerPoint, comma. Scratch that. Full stop. You can also use it to control the computer and do internet searches. Full stop. If a program on your computer is not supported for the use with Dragon, a box will appear which allows you to dictate into the box, comma, and then copy and paste the text into the program. Full stop. New line. One area that you may need to look into with Dragon is the vocabulary tool. Full stop. If you are using specialist vocabulary like photosynthesis, comma, chemotherapy, or words that Dragon does not recognize, you may wish to train it to recognize the word when you say it. Full stop. The most important commands, scratch that. New line, new paragraph. The most important commands for you are: go to sleep. Notice that the microphone has turned blue. Wake up, comma. Scratch that, comma. Delete line, delete last word. The most important words for you to use with Dragon are, comma, go to sleep, comma, wake up, comma, scratch that, comma, delete last line, full stop, new line.